boy Kevin just lost lots of money.
Palantir stock in this video. Yes, it's a late Sunday after.
Oh man, your boy Kevin just lost lots of money. Oh, but that's okay. I am with you. Here we go. Come on, push it. Buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go. Come on, push it. Buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go. Come on, push it. Buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go. Come on, push it. Oh my God, what's happening?
Oh my God. It's down 20%. Yes, I know I'm ugly. I don't care. You got to have an ugly laugh for that one. Oh my God. First of all, I'm sorry. Palantir is such a horrible stock. Oh my God. Palantir is crap, boy. Alright, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. Oh man. Oh. Okay, I think I got it all out. This is not going to be an I told you so video. You guys know I genuinely want to help. Seriously, I know a lot of retail investors got swindled by these YouTubers and these freaking grifting clowns. And we're just going to talk about the stock, okay? I know some of you guys are still bullish. No matter what I say, you're always going to be bullish. But what I say is, don't let emotions get in the way of your investing, right? Like, don't lose money because you're emotional over a stock. You got to recognize when something bad has happened. So let's go ahead and go over it. First of all, let's keep in mind, it's very important you guys understand this. Last earnings Palantir had, they missed. They missed the last earnings. And the stock tanked 17% last time when they missed earnings. Now they missed earnings again. This is 2 times in a row this company has missed earnings. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I don't got to call it trash or say anything. I'm just going to let the fundamentals speak for itself. EPS came in Q1, 2 cents versus the estimates of 4 cents. Revenue comes in at 446 million versus the estimates of 443. They did beat on revenue, so they do get credit for that. However, they did miss on EPS. And when it comes to guidance, which is the most important part of most of these earnings calls, Q2 2022 revenue came in for guidance at 470 million. This is pretty decently below. This is definitely below the estimates of 483 million. Wall Street estimated they would get to 483 million in their guidance. They guided to 470 million, which is not good. To add on more of the fundamentals of this company and how just bad they are, the company said the commercial revenue was up 205 million, up 54% in the quarter, including 136% growth from U.S. consumers, ahead of Wall Street consensus forecast of 193 million. However, government revenue grew 16% to 242 million. They only grew government revenue 16% to 242 million, and they missed analyst forecast of 251 million. Customer count rose 86% from a year ago, the company said. I'd have to look at the earnings, which I'm going to pull that up in this video, but I think customer count, I think they mean the commercial business, because I'm almost certain their government business, their customers still haven't grown, but we're going to find out in just a second. Let me keep reading. Right now, the stock has currently hit a new 52-week low. It is at $7 a share, which is absolutely insane. Year to date, the stock is down 50%, not in the last year. Very important you guys understand that. A lot of stocks are down 50 to 70 to 80% in the last year. However, Palantir is down 50% year to date. That is a big difference, right? Here's the most important thing we need to talk about, right? Because I told you guys, Palantir projects that they are going to grow 30% every year for the next 5 years. That's what they projected, right? I told you guys that wasn't going to happen, and we're starting to get proof that it's not. Palantir's revenue growth slowed. It's only, as of right now, their revenue growth is at 25% year over year for Q2, which is not good. So my question is, how are they going to maintain 30% growth until 2025 when they're already showing that their revenue growth is slowing and they're currently at 25% year over year for Q2? This is not good. Okay, now, so looking over at share-based compensation, put my phone on screen record real quick. Looking over at the share-based compensation, you can see here, Total stock-based compensation came in at 149 million. That is lower than same quarter of 2021, but that's still too high in my opinion. And like I said, it's hurting their path to profitability. That's one. Two, this company just had 2 straight quarters of dropping 20%. They literally dropped 20% last quarter, and now this quarter they're dropping another 20%. Like, I don't know about you guys, but if I'm an employee and I'm looking at the stock, I'm looking at my boss like, can I start getting cash instead? Because the money you're giving me is losing value. You're giving me equity, but that equity is not going up. It's going down. So like, can I just get money instead? So that's also something to be mindful of as well. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know what employees will want stock compensation at this point. I mean, the market looks horrible. This company's fundamentals look horrible. The stock price looks horrible. So that's going to cause an issue too. Hopefully they stop giving stock-based compensation, but now you've got another problem. Now they're going to have to pay more money to their employees, and that's going to add to the operating costs and everything. So you just can't win. You can't win when you're a bad company, right? And so there you have it. I'll go ahead and keep this video short. Not really sure what else I could really say. Customer count. I looked at their presentation. If you go on their investor relations, you can actually look at their presentation. I didn't see their government customer count, but I didn't see them say that it went up. So I'm going to assume that their government customers are still at 90, which is not good. I don't understand why their government customers isn't growing. I don't care if your commercial business is growing. I mean, I do. It matters, but it's not growing fast enough in my opinion. It's nowhere near as profitable as their government business. Like, how's the government business look? That's where the money really comes from for this company. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. I mean, I already told you guys, I'm never going to buy this company ever because I don't know what they do. I can never put my money in something where I don't understand it. I don't understand data analytics and working with the CIA and the FBI to spy on everybody and all that weird stuff they do. That's just not for me. But if you guys were to maybe think about buying it, I mean, if you look at a valuation perspective, I did take a look at the valuation. It's still, even at this price, is still a little bit overvalued by some people's metrics. I mean, to me, valuation isn't horrible, but there are some people out there who do think that it is a little still overvalued at this point, which I know sounds crazy because it dropped so much, but that's the way the market was trading. The market was trading at very crazy valuations, and now those valuations have come down, and unfortunately, Palantir is still, like I said, by some people's metrics, a little overvalued. And so, yeah, there you guys have it. I have no interest in ever being in this company. I think it's trash. I hate to be mean, but I'm sorry. I think it's a bad company. I think there are way better companies out there that I'd rather have my money in. And so, yeah, that'll go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.